Funky socks. Let's get funky.
Funky socks. Let's get funky. Hey guys, we got a washing machine, but I'm all by myself. Let's just get on opening this because this is mine. And there's lots of buttons. Come on, you press it. Come on. What's inside? Wait there. What is inside? I don't think you can open this. Can you? I think it's not from there. Wait, guys. It's from. I gotta open. I gotta open. No, it's like this. And you just put it forward. Yeah, that's what I have to do. See? Now it has those things there that you have to put. And then, now let's open. I got it open! Yeah! Celebrate, guys! Celebrate! So I think this is the instruction. Every toy has an instruction. So if I was you, read it. Read it now. I'll try to help you guys to read it. I know it's not covering the whole screen. Here we go. That's right. Go. Right. Now I'm turning it around. So much buttons. Okay, I'm turning it around. Are you serious, guys? It's nothing. Disgraceful. Disgraceful. I say unto you, disgraceful. There we go. Okay, how do you make this thing start? I think this battery can makes it go round and round, and then. So I'm going to wash. I don't need to wash my clothes. That's good. Only Funky gets to wash my clothes. The clothes. That's good. Okay. So guys, I'm going to wash my pajamas. And today, I think I like this because look, when I do this, how disrespectful. Okay, so I'm going to put batteries in it and wash my clothes. So click the subscribe button and get funky. Click the subscribe button and get funky. Sorry?